Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the VueUse in Vue 3. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. VueUse is a collection of useful high quality utility functions for the Vue 3, built to enhance the productivity and the simplify common tasks. It provides a wide range of functions including the composable for the state management, sensor data, network requests and more. VueUse integrates seamlessly with the Vue Composition API, making it an excellent tool for the Vue 3 projects. Let's install it. So here we have this one. So let's install this package. And now we are going to use all of these functions. Okay. So how we can track the current mouse position. Okay. So this is that one. So let's track the current mouse position. Make it npm run dev. Okay. Let's go and just remove this code, paste this. Now we will go over here, and here you can see that it will track my mouse events. Okay, so this is how you can track your mouse events with the default functions we have, that is use mouse in the view use core. Okay, x-axis and the y-axis. In the use mouse it will print axis, y-axis and the y-axis, correct? Moving to the next one, track the size of the window, which is an handy for responsive designs. Okay, so for this you have to use the use window size, right? So let's add this, and here we go with this one, and window width is 1292 and with height is 656. Okay, so this is how we can use we use window size. Okay, next, use local storage. A reactive wrapper for the local storage, allowing you to easily sync the data with this local storage. Okay, so this is how you can use that one. This is the use local storage. Okay, then we have a use fetch, an easy to use wrapper for making the network request similar to the fetch. Okay, so you can use that one, and it will give you the results fetching the data from the JSON placeholder API. And here we go with this one. This is the data that is coming up. Okay, so here you can use fetch from the VueUse core, right? Moving to the next one, other useful composables that offer, that is use online, detects online or offline status. Use preference dark, detects the preferred theme dark or the light of the user's device. Use clipboard, allows you to read and write to the system clipboard. Use event listener, attaches the event listeners in a reactive way. Okay, so here you can see that you can use the use online, that whether you're online or not. Let's use this. Okay, here we go with this one. Let's save it, and here we go with you are online. Okay, so this is how you can use that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.